Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my monsoon hair care routine, and along with that, I'm going to give some tips which you can include in your hair care routine too. And this is one of the most requested video on my channel, and I think you people are extremely fond of routines since I get so many requests, so I can clearly say that. And also, my monsoon hair care routine or my hair care routine in general is not that fancy, and I really don't spend that much of extra or high-end care to my hair, and I realized that really late कि hair care भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. And now that I'm doing it from around 1 or 2 years now, so I'll share it with you all so that it could be of some importance to you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So monsoons are famous for spoiling the glow, the flow and softness of your hair, and actually maybe all are facing hell lot of hair issues including hair fall, stickiness, chipchipapan and hair fall at the same time. So my monsoon hair care routine is a blend of each and everything that can protect my hair from monsoon damage. To remove the stickiness from my hair, I shampoo at least twice a week on Wednesdays and on Sundays. And ये जो monsoon वाला season होता है ना, इतना ज़्यादा humidity होती है, बाल पूरा sticky हो जाता है. So shampooing at least twice a week, the scalp properly, massaging the scalp properly is extremely important. And the shampoo that I use is this Tresemme black bottle. This is Smooth and Shiny shampoo, and I have been using it from quite a while, and I think this perfectly suits my hair type. And while shampooing, I just massage my scalp properly, and ये हम बहुत ज़्यादा ignore कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से hair frizzy हो जाता है. अगर हमारा hair follicles इतना ज़्यादा soft होता है कि अगर आप उसको harsh हाथों से massage करते हो ना, तो frizziness बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. So please take care of that. And after that, I wipe my hair and I apply conditioner to the hair strand, focusing on the ends क्योंकि वो सबसे ज़्यादा damage prone area होता है. And the conditioner that I use is this Pantene Pro V conditioner. It is one of my favorite conditioners, and I leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and then I rinse it off. And आप जितना ज़्यादा देर कंडीशनर लगा के छोड़ते हो, आपका बाल उतना डीप कंडीशनिंग, आपके बालों में उतनी ज़्यादा डीप कंडीशनिंग होती है. एंड मोस्टली हम क्या करते हैं, वॉशरूम में शैम्पू करने के बाद 2 से 3 मिनट छोड़ते हैं, which is a wrong way. And yes, you are not leaving your hair to get proper conditioning, then how it will repair? After shampooing and conditioning, I apply 2 to 3 drops of Leave-On serum. I rub it between my hands to make it warm, and then I apply it to my hair strand. And this is the basic care that I do, and there are so many hair serums in the market, but I think Leave-On serum is quite good and it tames down the damage a bit. And also Leave-On serum is quite inexpensive as compared to the other serums. Now I never use hair dryer to dry my hair, as according to me using hair dryer damages the hair a lot. It is way better to let it air dry. And also one thing that I keep in mind is to keep my hair open जब तक वो 70% dry ना हो जाए. And after 70% dry होने के बाद I make a small सा loose सा band, something like this. It kind of protect the hair from overexposure. And by overexposure I mean कि अगर आप अपने बालों को बहुत देर तक खुला छोड़ते हैं ना, तो बाल का जो natural moisture होता है वो evaporate हो जाता है, and it leads to frizziness and dullness in your hair. Monsoon climate specifically बालों को इतना ज़्यादा dull और sticky बना देता है that it's really not apt to apply hair oil and leave it for 2 days. I generally do that, but in monsoon I apply a hair oil to my hair strand, not to the scalp, and I leave it for 2 hours before shampooing. And this kind of helps in conditioning, as well as you really don't need to carry the hair oil for long. And the hair oil that I use is Parachute coconut hair oil. ये majority घरों में मिल जाता है. And earlier I used that Patanjali वाला coconut oil, and both of them are equally good. And other than these basic things, I use onion juice during the monsoon season, and it actually works. It works a lot in dandruff removal as well as hair fall भी control करता है, which I think is a serious issue, and we almost all of us are facing these days. And yeah, this actually works a lot. Just try it once. And to extract the juice, I grate the onion pieces, and उसके बाद I just squeeze the pulp, and उसके बाद उसका juice निकल जाता है, and I simply apply it to my scalp. Although it smells yuck, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा effective होता है. And I apply it this way to my scalp, gently and smoothly, and ये मैं 2 से 3 बार month में लगाती हूँ. You can even extract the juice and keep it in the refrigerator so that you can make your way out easily. And the other hair care that you can do is to not use heat at all. And अगर कर भी रहे हो तो heat protectant के साथ करो. And these days अभी तो हम लोग घर में we all are safe and sound luckily. तो अभी ऑलरेडी हेयर स्ट्रेटनर या कर्लर का यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो रहा है, बट सिंस आई हैव टू शूट एवरी नाउ एंड देन तो हीट यूज़ करना पड़ता है. एंड टू हील दैट डैमेज आई अप्लाई बेसिक सा हेयर पैक दैट आई प्रिपेयर एट होम एंड आई यूज टू अप्लाई इट twice in a month. To prepare the hair pack, I use some aloe vera gel straight from the plant. You can even use the packed aloe vera gel too. And then I add 2 big tablespoons of the same Pantene conditioner that I use. And along with that, I add 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil, and then I mix it in a grinder. And then I thoroughly apply it to my hair, the hair length, entire length, and क्योंकि वो एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिज होती है. And उसके बाद I leave it for 2 hours straight with a hair mask on. And उसके बाद I just rinse it off with normal water, no shampoo, nothing at all. And I swear by this hair mask, please, please, please use it at least once. And I know you'll thank me later, as you'll get to see the results in just one use. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all found it helpful, and I tried really hard to make my videos, to pack my videos with a lot of information and essential things for you all. And also the products that I used for my hair care routine are extremely basic. They are minimal, more of natural, so that you can make it a fit into your hair care routine too. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down your video request, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I Pyaar you guys. Bye bye.